Oh, guys, Grace Mondlana did it again. She did it again. She managed to piss off the whole nation, okay? Because Ugal, she threw a birthday party for her dog and it was so marvelous. It was so nice. It was so cute, son. And people are mad that she used her own money to celebrate her dog. Like, njani sana, make it make sense. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new in this channel, I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip. So if you're someone who likes umgosi izindaba zabantu, then you are definitely in the right place. So guys, Grace Mondlana did the things that make the pot to be done. She hosted a very huge birthday celebration for her dog, and people are so pissed and mad at her for using her own money. Like Njani Sana, someone posted on Facebook, and this was the caption: when are we going to start being honest about Grace Mondlana throwing a party for a dog? I don't know, but it's low key selfish. There are poor people out there who go to sleep without food. Why doesn't she donate her money to them if she doesn't know what to do with it? Because doing such a huge party for a dog while there are people suffering out there is cruel. Sana, like, why are we always having suggestions on how people should use their money? I really don't understand. Because if I have money and I want a birthday party for my dog, then why am I supposed to suffer and not use my money the way I want to use it? Because there are people that are suffering out there and I must donate. Why is it my problem that people are suffering? Like, make it make sense, guys. Make it make sense. Look at the day, Kosana. Lovely. It's very lovely. I don't see a problem with Grace Mondlana hosting a birthday party for her dog. You are also using your own money to buy alcohol, and no one is telling you to stop drinking alcohol and go and donate. If you feel like there are people that are suffering, they need food and what, go and donate to them, guys. Let's just leave Grace Mondlana alone. Like, it's too much, you know. Last time she hosted a party, people were also negative about it, and now she is doing this and people are also negative about it. There are a lot of white people that are hosting parties for their pets and no one is complaining. Like, no one is complaining. So because it's Grace Mondlana, we must always intervene and have negative things to say. I really don't think it's a good thing. But guys, please let me know in the comment section down below. Would you host such a huge celebration for your dog? Would you host a birthday party for your dog? And do you think it's a waste of money? Because I don't think it's a waste of money if you can afford it. You know, if you can afford it, then just do it, baby girl. Like, I don't see anything wrong, Shame.